In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel HubSpot subscription. If you've decided it's time to stop a paid HubSpot plan, the process is simple and takes just a moment once you know where to look. Before we begin, a quick reminder, canceling a subscription can affect access for everyone tied to that plan, and billing terms may still apply until the end of your current period. It's helpful to be aware of which plan you're on and your renewal date so you know what to expect after cancellation. First, log into HubSpot on a desktop browser. Sign in the way you normally do, whether that's with your email and password or your company's single sign-on. If you work in more than one HubSpot account, double-check that you're in the correct workspace. You can confirm by looking at the account name in the top bar once you're signed in. Next, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. This is the small circular icon that opens your account menu. It's the central place for user settings and organization controls, and it's where HubSpot keeps links to billing and administrative pages. From that menu, choose Account and Billing. Give the page a moment to load. You'll land in your billing area, which serves as the hub for everything related to payments and plans. Here you can see your active subscriptions, your current plan level, any add-ons, seat counts, and your next bill or renewal date. You may also notice sections for payment methods and invoices, which can be helpful for your records. On this page, you will see your current plan details alongside an option to cancel. The exact wording can vary by plan, but it will be clearly tied to your active subscription. This is where you initiate cancellation and follow any on-screen confirmations. As you review the details, note how cancellation is applied. Some plans end at the close of the billing cycle, while others may apply changes sooner. You'll typically see information about timing, access, and any remaining charges or credits right there on the page. That's all there is to it. Log into HubSpot, click your profile in the upper right, open Account and Billing, and you'll find your plan information with the option to cancel clearly displayed. If you don't see the option, it usually means your user permissions are limited or the subscription is subject to specific terms. In that case, check with the administrator for your account. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you'll be able to navigate directly to the right place and handle your HubSpot subscription confidently and efficiently.